Good morning friends, welcome back to ICRA UGC NET, JRF and Karnataka SET YouTube channel. I am Miss Nafisa, your UGC NET and KSET Paper 1 mentor. So in this class I am going to discuss other few digital initiatives in higher education. As you all know, I have already uploaded one of my video where I have discussed about Swayam and Swayam Prabha. हेलो दोस्तों, स्वागत है आप सभी का आज की इस क्लास में जहां मैं स्वयं और स्वयं प्रभा के अलावा जो डिजिटल इनिशिएटिव्स हमारी कंट्री में गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया ने स्टार्ट किया गया है. सो लेट मी स्टार्ट माय क्लास विथ अ ब्यूटीफुल कोट. द हैप्पीनेस ऑफ योर लाइफ डिपेंड्स अपॉन द क्वालिटी ऑफ योर थॉट्स. NMEICTE नेशनल मिशन ऑन एजुकेशन थ्रू ICT ये एक सेंट्रली स्पॉन्सर्ड स्कीम है. लॉन्च किया गया था ऑन 3rd of February 2009 at Tirupati, Andhra Pradesh with the aim to realize the potential of ICT in teaching and learning process for the benefit of all the learners in higher education institutions in any time and anywhere mode. So इस मिशन को लॉन्च किया गया था ऑन 3rd of February 2009 को. इट इज़ अ सेंट्रली स्पॉन्सर्ड स्कीम है गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया के द्वारा जो स्टार्ट किया गया था टू रियलाइज द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ ICT इन टीचिंग एंड लर्निंग प्रोसेसेस. This mission has three major components like generating high quality e-content, providing connectivity to higher education institutions and research and development of low cost access devices. इस मिशन के थ्री मेजर कंपोनेंट्स है. एक टू जनरेट अ क्वालिटी ई कंटेंट एंड सेकेंड वन प्रोवाइडिंग कनेक्टिविटी टू हायर एजुकेशन इंस्टीट्यूशंस एंड थर्ड वन रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट ऑफ लो कॉस्ट एक्सेस डिवाइस. Under NMEICT providing connectivity to 419 universities, university level institutions and all colleges including polytechnics is in progress, as well as a new program called Campus Connect aiming at making campus Wi-Fi enabled. Under this centrally sponsored scheme आज तक more than 400 universities and university level colleges में वाईफाई कनेक्टिविटी को स्टार्ट किया गया है. Next, NPTEL, which stands for National Program on Technology Enhanced Learning. It is a project developed by 7 IITs and IISc. As we are having in India 7 IITs, IIT Bombay, Delhi, Kanpur, Kharagpur, Madras, Guwahati and Roorkee, and IISc, Indian Institute of Science, which is located in our Karnataka, Bangalore, to provide quality education to anyone those who are interested in learning from IITs. सो NPTEL जो स्टैंड करता है नेशनल प्रोग्राम ऑन टेक्नोलॉजी इन्हांस्ड लर्निंग, एक प्रोजेक्ट है जिसको डेवलप किया गया है 7 IITs एंड IISc बेंगलुरु ने with the aim to provide quality education to the learners who are interested in learning from IITs in the country. This project was launched in the year 2003. With the objective of this mission is to develop courses for core subjects in engineering. At present, we are having second phase of NPTEL running from 2009 to 2014. It has now more than 600 video courses with 471 plus million views. This project was funded by Ministry of Education, formerly Ministry of Human Resource Development, Government of India. ये प्रोजेक्ट लॉन्च हुआ था 2003 में, जिसका जो मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव था टू डेवलप कोर्सेज फॉर द कोर सब्जेक्ट्स इन इंजीनियरिंग. आज जो सेकेंड फेज NPTEL का सेकेंड फेज जो स्टार्ट हुआ है फ्रॉम 2009 टू 2014. नाउ दिस प्रोग्राम इज़ हैविंग मोर देन 600 वीडियोस विथ 471 प्लस मिलियन व्यूज़. और इस प्रोजेक्ट को फंड दिया जाता है गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ एजुकेशन के द्वारा. Next one is NDL, National Digital Library of India. This is a single window platform that provides learning resources with an aim to make e-learning and education accessible to all. It is a project under NMEICTE developed by Indian Institute of Technology Kharagpur and aided by Ministry of Human Resource Development, Government of India. NDL एक डिजिटल लाइब्रेरी है जिसका एम था टू मेक ई लर्निंग एंड एजुकेशन एक्सेसिबल टू ऑल। ये एक प्रोजेक्ट है अंडर NMEICT जिसको डेवलप किया गया है IIT खड़गपुर ने, एडेड बाय मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ ह्यूमन रिसोर्स डेवलपमेंट। It is a 24/7 open digital library with a single window search that you can access anytime and anywhere. In this library we get more than 72 lakh digital books. So इस मिशन और इस इनिशिएटिव में हमें मोर देन 72 लाख डिजिटल बुक्स आर मेड अवेलेबल, जिसको हम कहीं भी किसी भी टाइम ओपन करके स्टडी कर सकते हैं। Next one is NAD, National Academic Depository. It is an initiative of Government of India under the Ministry of Education, formerly the Ministry of Human Resource Development. This initiative was launched or developed on 17th July 2017. DigiLocker and NAD, National Academic Depository, are initiatives of Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology and Ministry of Education. The concept of National Academic Depository is born out of an initiative by Ministry of Education to provide a 24/7 online depository to academic institutions to store and publish their academic awards. The digital depository not only ensures easy access to and retrieval of an academic award but also validates and guarantees its authenticity and safe storage. जो NAD है, NAD में हमें हमारे जो एकेडमिक रिकॉर्ड्स हैं, सर्टिफिकेट्स हैं, डिप्लोमा, डिग्रीज, कन्वोकेशन सर्टिफिकेट्स, all are made available through this NAD. We get e-certificates from this initiative, which is easy to access and it guarantees the authenticity and safe storage. It removes the main or the benefit of this initiative is it removes the need to physically carry academic records like degrees, certificates and diplomas. The employer can access the documents when and where required with due permissions. So इस इनिशिएटिव की मदद से हम लोगों को फिजिकली और हार्ड कॉपीज ऑफ हमारे जो सर्टिफिकेट्स हैं उसको अपने साथ लेके घूमना नहीं पड़ेगा. वी कैन एक्सेस आवर सर्टिफिकेट्स थ्रू दिस एप्लीकेशन. Next one initiative is e-Yantra. This comes under NMEICT with the aim to include robotics into engineering curriculum. It creates projects to train teachers and required good knowledge of mathematics. e-Yantra is a robotics focused educational outreach initiative. The Department of Computer Science and Engineering at the IIT, Indian Institute of Technology, Bombay. This project was started by IIT Bombay with Department of Computer Science. It is funded by the Ministry of Education, Government of India under the mission NMEICT. So e-Yantra एक digital initiative है which comes under NMEICT, which was developed by the Department of Computer Science and Engineering at the IIT Bombay. This project was funded by Ministry of Education with the aim to include the robotics into engineering curriculum. E-Kalpa project on creating digital learning environment for design is sponsored by MHRD through NMEICT. This is the digital learning environment for design in India, a full-fledged digital design resource database database has been created under it for crafts and along with the social networking and collaborative learning space for design. eKalpa is especially design project है जो हमें designs डिजिटल लर्निंग एनवायरनमेंट प्रोवाइड करता है फॉर द डिज़ाइंस. ये स्पॉन्सर्ड किया गया है मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ एजुकेशन अंडर NMEICT मिशन. eVidwan is also a digital initiative which provide a premier database of profiles of the scientists, researchers and other faculty experts working at leading academic institutions and other research and development organizations. इन्वॉल्व इन टीचिंग एंड रिसर्च इन इंडिया. सो eVidwan हमें प्रोवाइड करता है प्रोफाइल्स, डाटाबेस प्रोफाइल्स ऑफ द साइंटिस्ट, एक्सपर्ट्स, रिसर्चर्स हु आर वर्किंग इन leading academic institutions in our country. It provides important information about the expert's background, contact address, experience, scholarly publications, skills and accomplishments, researcher identity, etc. The database developed and maintained by Information and Library Network Center in Flipnet with financial support from NMEICT. Next one is eAcharya. eAcharya is an integrated e-content portal developed under NMEICT. The portal provides facility to search and browse the learners. All learning materials include audio, video, textual materials, etc. through a single interface. The portal covers quality learning resources from top institutions in the country in 8 subjects categorized: agriculture science, biological science, chemical science, physical science, medical and health sciences, engineering and technology, social sciences and arts and humanities. सो eAcharya एक इंटीग्रेटेड ई कंटेंट पोर्टल है जिसको डेवलप किया गया है अंडर NMEICT. द पोर्टल प्रोवाइड करता है फैसिलिटी टू सर्च एंड ब्राउज द लर्नर्स. लर्निंग मटेरियल्स को ब्राउज कर सकते हैं विच इंक्लूड्स द मटेरियल्स इन द फॉर्म ऑफ ऑडियो, वीडियो और टेक्सचुअल मटेरियल्स थ्रू अ सिंगल इंटरफेस. This portal covers quality learning resources from top institutions in the country in 8 subjects. जो 8 सब्जेक्ट में हमें ई कंटेंट eAcharya के पोर्टल से मिल जाता है. नेक्स्ट वन इज टॉक टू अ टीचर. This is also a digital initiative which was developed by IIT Bombay, Indian Institute of Bombay, which is funded by again MHRD, now the Ministry of Education, Government of India. It provided free access to many graduates and postgraduate courses. The collaboration tool is developed by the Amrita University for virtual classroom across the country. Talk to Teacher is also एक डिजिटल इनिशिएटिव है जिसको डेवलप किया गया है IIT बॉम्बे के द्वारा. फंडिंग मेंटेन किया जाता है मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ एजुकेशन और फंड को प्रोवाइड किया जाता है मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ एजुकेशन के द्वारा और ये प्रोवाइड करता है फ्री एक्सेस टू मैनी ग्रेजुएट्स एंड पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट कोर्सेज के लिए. इट इज़ कोलैबोरेटिव टूल है जिसको डेवलप किया गया है अमृता यूनिवर्सिटी फॉर वर्चुअल क्लासरूम्स अक्रॉस द कंट्री. So I hope this video is also informative to all of you. So thank you. Be with me in the next video. Have a good day. Bye bye.